Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to check deleted posts on Instagram. So in order to check deleted posts on Instagram, first of all, what you need to do is open up your Instagram application on your mobile device. Next, ensure that you are logged into your account. If not, then log into your account with your credentials. Once you are in, tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner. From there, select the option of your activity from the list given below. In the Removed and Archived Content section, choose the Recently Deleted option. You'll be able to see all of the content that you have recently deleted, including posts, stories, and live TV video reels. If you have deleted items in this section, you can easily restore them. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.